Hey everyone, keeping track of a project's progress is one of the most important parts of staying organized. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to track project progress in Asana using built-in tools like project status, dashboards, timelines, and task updates. So yeah, let's see how you can keep your projects moving in the right direction. First, open Asana and select the project you want to monitor. Once inside the project, start with the overview page. This section gives you a quick summary of important project details, including goals, milestones, project description, and recent activity. Next, update your project status regularly. Click the project status area and choose the current progress level, such as on track, at risk, or off track. You can also add a short status update explaining what's completed, what's happening now, and any possible issues. To understand your actual progress, review your tasks inside the project. Check which tasks are completed, which ones are still in progress, and which items may be delayed. Keeping tasks updated helps your team see exactly where the project stands. Asana's timeline view is another useful way to track progress. It shows your tasks on a schedule, making it easier to see deadlines, dependencies, and possible delays. You can quickly identify if one task is affecting the rest of your project. For a more visual overview, use the dashboard feature. Dashboards display project data using charts and graphs, helping you track completed tasks, workload, task status, and overall performance. This is especially helpful for larger projects with multiple team members. Another great way to measure progress is by tracking milestones and goals. Milestones represent important achievements, while goals help connect daily tasks to bigger objectives. Reviewing these regularly makes sure everyone stays focused on the final outcome. Finally, keep your team updated by sharing regular project updates. Add comments, mention teammates, and update task details whenever something changes. Consistent communication helps prevent confusion and keeps everyone aligned. And that's how you track project progress in Asana. By using status updates, task tracking, timelines, dashboards, and regular communication, you can easily understand how your project is moving and keep your team on schedule. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Asana tutorial.